model kit review is of the Jaguar. It is the XJR 9LM for Le Mans, and it's a 1/24 scale model by Tamiya. And we've got a painting or drawing here of the car on the inside. There's another drawing there. I'll have to have a look and see. Don't see any other pictures of. There's a picture of the real car. And let's have a look inside. Looks like we have a lot of parts here. Let's have a look at our body first. So here's our body, nicely molded, good level of detail, recessed lines, and the back is molded separately. Here are our glass parts, including our windshield and side windows, as well as the headlights. We do have some decals here, it looks like for the tires. Here we have our engine parts, very detailed engine, very large engine. We've got some exhaust parts, valve covers. Here are the carburetors, our transmissions attached. We have our brakes, disc brakes, suspension parts. It's a very detailed, very nicely molded engine. Also have some other body parts here. Here's our seat and other engine parts, radiator parts. Here's our instrument panel, radiator here. Here's our chassis, and not a lot of detail on the underneath of that. We have our wheels, we have the tail, some parts for the tail. Looks like a necker duct there on the body parts. Here's our front suspension, steering column, our steering wheel, windshield wipers. It's all nicely molded. Here are our tires, and nice soft rubber tires. We have some decals here. This is an older kit, but decals are still in good condition. Lots and lots of detail here. And let's have a look at our instructions here. Some details about the car. So first of all here, we start off with the cockpit and body. It's all built with a firewall. It's all put into the chassis, including the radiators. The engine's then built with the rear suspension. And we have the wheels been placed on there, the drive shafts, engines then mounted on the body, and carburetors, exhausts, and so on. Here's our front suspension being mounted. Then the wheels are placed on, as well as the tires. And then we build our instrument panel, body parts going on, glass is mounted, and our tail. And the body is mounted onto the chassis, both front and back. Then the rear wing goes on, the antenna, and then painting and decal guide is separate over here. So let's see if we can have a look at that. So here's our painting and decal guide. So all in all, very detailed model and very well molded.